Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my Taurus horoscope makeup inspiration. So first I have my base done and I'm just contouring my face. I don't cream contour a lot, but for these kind of looks I think they're kind of necessary. But I am kind of into how it turned out, so we might be doing that more often. I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I believe this is in the color Toffee or Coffee or something. I will link everything I'm using down below because I really didn't show you guys anything that I used. Next, we're gonna conceal, of course, with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm using the color Light, which is usually very dark on me, but since I am very tan, which you cannot tell on camera, but I am extremely tan right now, so that looks like my regular shade on me as an under eye concealer. Then I'm just gonna set it. If you guys have any like suggestions for other concealers, that would be great because I kind of want to branch out and I'm running out soon, so it would be really good. I'm also setting my nose really well because I did go out after this, so I just didn't want it to move anywhere. Next, I'm just going to bronze using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I believe this is in the lightest one. If I had my way in the world, I would have had my Anastasia bronzer, but I could not find it anywhere, so I layered this on. I probably put about 3 or 4 layers on to get the bronziness that I needed to match the rest of me. Next, I'm just contouring, powder contouring, using my Morphe R8 brush, I believe, and the MAC blush in Harmony. That's my favorite thing to contour with. It's perfectly neutral. It's a little cool toned, so it creates that perfect shadow. I learned this tip years ago, is to use a cool colored contour. Now I'm taking a combination of the Harmony blush and my bronzer to contour my nose. I've been really into contouring my nose lately just because it stands out more in photo. Now onto the eyes. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Soft Glam palette. I will list every color that I'm using down below, and I will, if I can remember, I will use them. I put Made for Each Other in my crease, and then I put a little bit of creamsicle in there because I wanted a little bit of yellowness. Then I went in with Pooter just to deepen up that crease just ever so slightly. I worked in very small little sections with a little bit of color at a time to just keep deepening up and deepening up my crease and my inner and outer corner because I did end up doing a spotlight eye. So after deepening up my inner and outer corner and my crease enough, I cut the middle section of my crease out. Now, the person I learned this from is Mama Mitchell off of Instagram. I will link his Instagram down below. It is brilliant. He is fantastic, and he is like the sunset spotlight eye king. I just went in and took a little bit of my MAC soft paint pot and soft ochre to cut that out, and then I just blended out the edges just to make them as seamless as I possibly could have. Then I put on my lid the shade Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I put on top of that Glistening from the Soft Glam palette just because I wanted to pop, but I am adding glitter because I am who I am and I can't change me. After just blending all of the lines together so it's all seamless, I ended up putting 2 or 3 different layers of glitter, not different, they're all the same, from the Stila. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in Gold Goddess. And then I just took every color I put on my upper lid on my lower lash line to just really give me an overall smoky effect. Now for lashes, I ended up just doing a pair of Tarte lashes called in Center of Attention. I really like the Tarte lashes. They're kind of thick in the band and a little heavy, but I really like the styles of them because honestly you can wear them with like on a natural day and they still look really, really good. Now I'm just highlighting my inner corner with the Becca Moonstone highlighter, which I will be using all over my face. Next, I'm feeling myself. I really love the look, to be honest. Next, I'm just going to use a fan brush, which this is the only thing a fan brush is good for, is blush. I use the Becca blush in Flowerchild, but I also mix it with a little bit of Harmony because I didn't want it to be too powerful because the Becca blush is very pigmented. And then I use the Anastasia Emerisi, no, I use the Moonstone highlighter, sorry, from Becca. On my lips, I just used the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Fighter. This is a completely crazy color for me, but I kind of dug the look and I was really, really into it. I hope you guys really enjoyed my take on the Taurus sun sign in makeup form. I really enjoyed this look. I enjoyed creating this look. I went through a lot of different phases of this look, but this is what it turned out with, and I love it, and I freaking love it, and I want to just switch up the lip and like wear it every day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment if you have a video suggestion or if you just want to talk and say hi. Please like the video if you enjoyed, and please subscribe and turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye.